Metra says it's taking the rare step of offering customers a discount on monthly passes. This after nearly 2 weeks of service disruptions on the electric line. This month's severe cold weather, coupled with a freight train derailment, caused major damage to the electric line's overhead wires. As a result, Metra is offering riders a 15% discount on a monthly pass for April. The discount is good for only the electric line, and riders must purchase a paper pass at either Millennium Station or Van Buren Station. The South Shore line, which operates on the same tracks, is also offering a 10% discount for monthly passes in March.